Rawlings has been around since 1887. We specialize in diamond sports, which for everyone else that would be softball and baseball. So my role with Rawlings is to lead the IT group, or information technology. We're responsible for everything from the hardware equipment that keeps the company running, to the software, to the cybersecurity that we need to keep the company safe. We've got a group of about 40 plus people that do that, so we wear a lot of hats, bounce back and forth between the various different projects and issues that we need to address as part of information technology. So with cybersecurity, the staffing paradigm is difficult because it's a very in-demand skill. So for us, that was a big reason to go with a MDR like eSentire. We weren't looking to be able to staff that function up. We really needed to outsource it, because not only can you struggle to find people, but it's very hard once you do have people to keep them current in their skills. With a company like eSentire, who specializes in that, they're current all the time. When we began with eSentire, one of the main things we were looking for was more comprehensive coverage. I think that was the real reason for an MDR and having that in place. We had some degree of coverage in place with our existing people and some of the products, but this really gave us the ability to tie all those things together and put in place the right solutions to make sure that we have the company protected. MDR really gives us a sense of security. I think of it as an insurance policy around our environment. You know, we aren't staffed to really monitor it 24/7 by 365. Having an MDR gives you that capability. Leveraging eSentire for everything from our endpoint and network security monitoring to vulnerability services, managing those, to phishing awareness programs, incident response, retainer, those types of things. So really trying to get that comprehensive look at all of our security opportunities. The great thing about working with the SOC with eSentire has been not only their responsiveness, but really them becoming an extension of our team. They monitor, and if something comes up that needs to be addressed, they send us a message right away, whether that's pinging us with an email or hitting us with a text message or giving us a quick call if we don't respond. They escalate very responsively and respectfully. We don't have the people to staff it, so it's been fantastic to have somebody that really not only understands our business but also our environment, and allows us to continue to grow as a company because they're growing with us along the way. eSentire really covers us across all the different channels that we're involved with, everything from our direct-to-consumer to our B2B brick-and-mortar type businesses that we work with. They also cover us with all the other vectors that are out there as well. If we've got an employee that happens to bring a phone on site that might have malware on it, it's going to catch that. If we happen to have a vendor that comes in that they've got an issue that maybe was undiscovered, they'll catch that as well. So it's really that comprehensive end-to-end life cycle that they're taking care of for us. By having eSentire as a partner, we've been able to not only avoid the cost internally of trying to staff up our own SOC, but also to really redeploy the mind space of my team on other initiatives. We can actually focus on things that are going to add value outside of cyber and really rely on the expertise of eSentire to make sure we're protected in the long run.